my name is Pep and I'm a videographer and a teacher for the International Career School, an institution that has been offering courses for more than a decade in many schools internationally. My course offers the same benefits than the rest of the International Career School courses, a practical and condensed experience to expand your professional growth. In this case, you will be learning how to produce a video from story selection to the final edit. We'll learn how to prioritize the essentials of storytelling in all the stages of video making, while expanding our knowledge on its technical aspects. If you're looking to make a turn in your freelance career, this is the course for you. You'll get enough tools to start working in a scenario where you can keep learning as you perform. With it, you'll be able to tell stories with images and sounds and make amazing videos. No previous experience is required to follow my steps. You will just need a camera or a smartphone and a computer with an editing program. Join me in this journey to the world of videography. I invite you to visit the website of the International Career School, find my course, and book your place in a group right now. Hope to see you there.